everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Subramanian. Today we're going to see this beautiful and interesting Hyderabadi style egg korma. Now I would say this is an egg lover's delight. The flavors are just simply amazing. Why wait? Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the masala, first I'm going to dry roast a few ingredients. For this, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon peanuts, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, this is optional, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, a few cashew nuts. You can also use almonds, that is badam, a few dried coconut slices, that is copra. Keep the flame on low and dry roast the ingredients. So roast these ingredients for about 5 minutes. You can see the coconut bits have turned to a nice golden color. Turn off the stove, keep this aside. To the pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. For the masala paste, I am going to brown 1 large onion which has been thinly sliced. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. The onions are nice and brown, turn off the stove, keep this aside. To the mixer jar, add the roasted ingredients. To this, add the fried onions. Add a little water and grind it to a nice fine paste. So here you can see the masala is ground to a very nice fine paste. Keep this aside. I'm going to roast the eggs. To the pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Keep the flame on low, 1 teaspoon chilli powder and half teaspoon salt. So I've boiled 6 eggs. I'm just going to make small slits around the egg. Make sure it's all completely coated with the spice powders. Turn off the stove and keep the eggs aside. To a nice white pan or a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil. To the oil, add all the whole spices. Cinnamon, clove, cardamom, bay leaf. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Keep the flame on low. Add 1 whole teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Keeping the flame on low, add the ground masala paste. So we're going to cook the paste first. I'm going to pour some water into the mixer jar and remove all the excess masala that's sticking to the mixer jar. To the masala paste, I'm going to add a few spice powders, starting with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything. Keep the flame on low, close the pan and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see all the oil separating beautifully. So this has been cooking on low flame. Now I'm going to add the puree of 1 medium-sized tomato. Next, I'm going to add about 100 grams of whisked curd. Make sure it's nice and creamy, so that way you can avoid from curdling. Keep the flame on low and quickly mix it. Next, add half cup of water. So we need a nice gravy consistency. Close the pan and cook for about 10 minutes on low flame. Wow, you can see the oil has separated beautifully. The gravy is cooked nice and thick. Now I'm going to add the roasted eggs. So finally I'm going to garnish it with some sliced green chilies. I've taken about 3 green chilies sliced. This is going to give you a nice spice. Add some fresh mint leaves, a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Just gently mix it. Wow, the egg korma is coming together so beautifully. The aromas are fantastic. Close the pan and cook for about 5 minutes on low flame so the eggs can absorb all the flavors. After 5 minutes, open the pan. Wow, the Hyderabadi style egg korma looks fabulous. It's ready to be served. I'm serving this delicious Hyderabadi egg curry with these nice flaky parotas. Wow, the egg korma looks absolutely amazing. Now it's got all these wonderful flavors that makes for a perfect side dish for pulao, for naan, rotis or even fulkas. So do try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.